Hello YouTube, thank you for visiting my channel. I'm receiving a lot of comments asking me what is progression. Coming to that, you are the right place. Please just hit subscription. So thank you for that. So my people, there are secrets that I'm going to reveal for you. Every major key, the one start as major, minor, minor, major, major, minor. The 7 is a diminish. Back to 1 again in a second octave. Yes, let's go. This progression that I'm going to teach you now is 1, 4, 5, 6, 4, 1. So let's start. So the progression is 1, 4, 5, 6, 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 5. That's the progression. So every music, every song have its own progression. So Bob Marley always use this progression on song. So that is the progression, and from that progression it's created from that keys of annotation. What that means: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So while playing that, it is also giving number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to do again. Is not 8 but 1 again in the second octave. So that is where I pick the progression from. Every major key, the one start as major, major, while the second start as a minor, the third is also minor, major, minor, diminished, back to 1 again in a second octave. You have to practice this always for you to play fluently while playing keyboard. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminish on key F. That is all about music progression. That is what called improvisation. Many people call it improvisation. So thank you for watching. I'm advising you to hit subscription. I'm going to upload next time how to convert those chords that I teach you. You can invert it to another sound. Not only that, thank you. Just hit subscription for more video. Thank you.